Welcome back, folks. This video comes to you from a channel called STC Media. I'm going to drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment for the channel and the video. Make sure you guys go subscribe and give him the credit he deserves. So the cops are clearly upset with this guy. They have their opinions, right? But folks, as a police officer, you're not supposed to opinionate and you're not supposed to act on your opinions. And what this officer does right here, I've actually seen this before. Cops try to use their car doors to try to hit people. This cop actually hits this man with the car door and then he arrests him. Now this guy wasn't opening the car door, nor was he jumping on the bumper or anything like that, but this guy got arrested. Unbelievable, folks. Let's watch the video. I'll pause for some comments and give you my final thoughts at the end. Let's get right to it, folks.
What's that? I mean, I need them to understand what we can and can't do, and this lady keeps on trying to ascertain my camera on my hat as a weapon, and she keeps on trying to say that if I don't leave that I'll be arrested or whatever. So I mean, if you can just at least let her know that obviously in public, I don't have to answer to her on this. And this right here, does this look like a weapon, sir, on my hat? Thank you. Can I get your name and badge number real quick, please?
308.
308.
Yep.
Do you got a card at all too?
No, I don't. Why don't you wait out here?
Oh no, I'm good.
Follow me around. Okay?
I'm
I'm
going out.
Interfere with what I'm doing.
I'm not interfering at all.
Stay back, Andrew.
Okay. I'll stay back at that.
Andrew Joseph Cox, right?
I don't know who you think. Yeah. Okay, officer dipshit. We got it. Officer Tyrant.
I asked him to explain what was on his hat because I was not sure.
This is an Andrew Cox.
And if you know who he is and you feel that he's no threat, I'll turn it over to one of the supervisors.
Yeah, the person who said that I was allowed to be in there recording as long as I didn't get anybody's personal information, which I 100% didn't do. And then this lady continues to try and just run me like I'm her slave, and I'm not. And you trying to, what do you want to do? They asked me to leave. It doesn't matter. I did nothing wrong for them to ask me to leave. So there that is.
Sir, it's your call.
Go ahead, make your call.
Oh, I mean,
He said on camera I was allowed to be there filming. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
You got it last time.
I need it every time. Can I get it?
Yeah, Christensen, 431.
Thank you. I remember how hard it was to get it off of you last time. Oh, I'm leaving. I was leaving anyway. He asked if I was done. I was done. I was actually leaving now.
Have a good day.
I am. I'm leaving, but I will be back. Just to let you know, I'm allowed to come back and I will be back. So, thank you. If I'm allowed to go, I'm allowed to leave. Or if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. I leave when you guys leave. I can't go until you go. It's just the way it is.
All right.
Their boots are a little dirty if you wanted to go ahead and lick them clean for you. Oh. Hey, officer. Why are you trying to dox me? Oh yeah, and you know what the hell that means. Guess what, man? How about I find out who you are, right? I find out your first, your middle, and your last name, and I post that on YouTube, buddy. What's that gonna be like, huh? Oh yeah, you're a person. You're a piece of shit is what you are. You go fuck yourself, guy. Ain't nothing but a fucking jerk off. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, go suck a dick. Dude, why'd you hit me with the door?
Roll it. Find your back. Go. Very dumb.
A lot of you guys know that the goal of my channel is always to help the smaller channels grow. It's because of bad police officers like this that my channel and other channels continue to grow. There is so much corruption going on out there, so much misappropriation of funds. A lot of that has to do with police officers leaving the academy with the gun and a badge, but with absolutely no knowledge of your constitutional rights. The Constitution was written to preserve your natural rights, folks. The First Amendment of the Constitution mirrors those natural rights. You have a freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. It's funny how in a lot of videos that you see, you'll see police officers raising their hand. They act like they're swearing an oath, but the truth is somebody is reading it to them and they're only repeating it. That means they never learned it. That means at this point, police officers absolutely cannot be trusted. This police officer hit this man with the car door and he was looking at him in his eyes when he did it. He knew exactly what he was doing, and I believe this police officer not only should be fired, but he should be charged with assault and battery as well. He had a really bad attitude. He called him by his name, so he knew him before he even arrived. If this cop is too annoyed to do a job, then he should drop his badge and quit immediately and save tax dollars so that the people don't have to keep forking up the bill when there's lawsuits involved. It's cops like this that are ruining the trust that people have in policing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to STC Media. Let them know in the comment section that your friend San Joaquin sent you. I will see you guys over there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.